Under the current international situation, let's walk into BST technology and find out how global customers conduct equipment acceptance.
I was standing on the road, I was waiting you to call. For how long I don't know.
Facing difficulties, and solving problems for customers are the purpose of the customer service team of BST technology. This acceptance method through video connection solves the travel difficulties of customers due to the turbulent international situation, allows customers to advance their engineering projects as scheduled, and provides strong support for customers to seize the market.